Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the PCP Durable Folding Lightweight Commode in a sleek gray finish, a versatile and essential addition to any home. This American-made commode is designed with convenience and durability in mind, featuring a strong steel welded construction with a gray powder coat finish that ensures long-lasting use. Its innovative design allows it to easily open and fold flat, making it perfect for storage or transport. Whether you need a standard bedside commode, an elevated toilet seat riser, or toilet safety rails, this product has you covered. The durable plastic snap-on seat and lid, along with a full-size commode pail complete with a splash guard and lid, provide added comfort and hygiene. With a width between arms of 18 inches and an overall width of 23 inches, it offers ample space, while the seat height adjustment ranges from 16 to 22 inches to accommodate various needs. Don't miss out on this versatile and practical solution for enhanced bathroom safety and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.